All right, cool. So here's Gizmo Talk. And so at the top will be all the featured talks. And there's some design changes still to be done. There's different genres, business, pop, so on and so forth. And when you go into them, you'll see the various people who have done talks in those environments. The latest talks, these are the newest ones. So featured ones, of course, people have paid for. And these are the latest. And of course, you can see all of them with the view all. At the bottom, there's the ability to search. I'll show you the plus sign is how you create your talk. Purchases, you'll be able to see the talks that you have purchased. Um, and then your account, you can see your account. You can purchase coins here as well so that you can buy talks. There's a QR code so you can share your talk. And when people click it, of course, it takes them to get the app and all. Let's see. Here you can see where you can record your stories, or you can also update your talk, so you can constantly create and update your talks, and of course, privacy policy, so on and so forth. So I'm going to go back to the home page. I'm going to click on Will Smith. I've already bought that one, so let me pick another one. This one. So you can see here. So this is one that I would want to, for example, purchase. The thumbnail there will be a video, so it's like an intro video. You'll be able to click that and see the intro video. Where it says synopsis, that's been changed to description, and it'll have some scoop on what their talk is all about. And then, of course, you'll be able to tap on them as well once you buy it. Um, you add it to your purchases, and you're able then to go and talk. So, and lots and lots and lots of verbiage being changed for the various um, ability to talk. I'm going to go back to home again. I'm going to click on Will Smith because I've already purchased his, and you can see there's the video. You can see his description would be right there. And instead of view profile, it's going to say start talking. And when you go there, this is where you're going to be able to start asking your questions, seeing their story times. And I built a little small talk engine in here as well. And small talk is just shooting the breeze. Hey, how's it going? How's your day been? Blah, 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 blah. So you can just shoot the breeze. In every subcategory of their talk, the small talk is built in there as well. So if I want to talk about, if I go to, so for example, a subcategory called growing up, and they're talking a little bit about how they grew up, as I go in there, I can ask them still some small talk stuff. So how's it going? Hey, I'm doing really good. How are you doing? I'm fine, thanks. Awesome. Cool. So where did you grow up at? Oh, I grew up in Pennsylvania, blah, 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 blah. So on it goes. When I'm ready to create my talk, I hit the plus sign, and you have three options. You can add story time, and I gotta put some little verbiage on those. And you can see you title it, record your video, choose any files and locations, um, or I can create a talk and add to my talk, and then I can create my small talk. So those are the options. Once they're done, it goes to admin. Admin has to approve it, and of course, they also in the whole setup of their account, they would say how much they want to sell their talk for. Whatever number they put in terms of pricing, it converts it to the number of tokens on the fly. So that's kind of a quick overview of how talk work. But you go in and you'll be able to ask whatever the questions are. You can see I put a bunch of different categories in here. Somebody wants to do talks about stocks and how they do the stock market. Real estate people who want to talk about how they became successful in real estate. Pop singers, authors of books. People want to understand and talk to their favorite author. They want to talk to Beyonce. They want to talk to Peter Thiel and other folks in business. They want to talk to Jay-Z, as rappers. They want to talk to some political folks, and who want to create a talk, or maybe a civil rights leader. So we'll get the right images and stuff in here, and social media influencers as well. So or a boxer or a fighter. See what else I got. Okay, I think that's all of them. So these are ones that I just created, and that can come in, pick categories, and do their talks. Of course, other folks can come find them and pay to talk to them. So that's how it works. And yep. So that's it so far.